what has been the most unexpected challenge of being a single parent?
Why my child has to face this. That was the guilt I carried for the longest time.
I came across Neena Gupta's autobiography, Sach Kahu To. In that, she has shared her experience of being a single parent in India.
When I faced domestic violence, and the next day when I decided that I'm not going to tolerate this,
Single parents are judged more than by society than supported.
because a lot of women who are housewives are not able to take a decision just because they cannot stand up on themselves financially. My father has told me, even if you get beaten, you have to die there. Our legal system, oh my god.
Yeah.
Like years and years and years, from magistrate court to sessions court to high court to supreme court, family court is, I don't think any justice is done there. It's very sadly so much of time, energy, date pe date. You know that Sunny Deol's dialogue, Tariq pe Tariq. It is like that. 7 floors, every floor, minimum 900 cases are registered in a month. Even if you are sexually or emotionally in relation with someone else, is no more a crime. This is what they have done now. Because they are fed up of the cases coming about extramarital affairs.
I'm sure many women listening to this, they are going to get inspired. No, this is a step one can take even when they are not financially independent.
Being a single parent, you also need to have timing flexibility.
Correct.
Having court for 5 years, there would be earrings, there would be my daughter's, routine. So I had to manage everything and yet work.
Yeah. Now, coming to the pressure of getting remarried. The family keeps putting pressure ki remarry kar lo, shaadi kar lo, because the child needs a father figure in their life.
I cannot teach my child, oh, this is what happened to us and now we have to sit and cry.
But how do you handle these difficult conversation with your daughter about the family structure?
So my daughter was 7 when she saw me getting beaten. So encopresis is a state of mind where the child is kind of depressed. I had to deal with this. When separations happen between parents, a child starts maturing at a very faster rate than a normal kid.
What is your proudest moment in your single parenting journey?
When I got the national award.